Today we're going to make a simple golden milk turmeric latte that will allow you to fall asleep more easily and stay asleep longer. In the past we've made them and they had a ton of ingredients that were more expensive. This one's going to be super simple and inexpensive to make. We're going to start by warming up a cup of milk. I'm using whole milk because it has tryptophans in it that help promote sleep. You can use plant milk, but it doesn't have that same benefit. So our milk's been warming for about 2 to 5 minutes, and you'll know it's ready when there's steam coming up off of it. You can't really see it on the camera, but there is. And then you can start adding your ingredients, which are super simple. You're gonna add half a teaspoon of the turmeric, which is really anti-inflammatory. This is what helps your body fall asleep and stay asleep. It lowers blood sugar levels. It helps with digestion. I'll put more of the benefits on the screen. We're also going to add a half teaspoon of ginger. Ginger is so good for your digestion, which allows you to go into that rest and digest mode. It will support you for sleep. You can also add a little bit of pepper. Pepper has like a hypnotic effect that supports you in sleep. And if you want to sweeten it, which helps to cut the bitterness of the turmeric, honey also supports you with sleep. So you can add a little bit of honey. So that's your super simple turmeric latte. You can drink it before you go to bed and will support you in falling asleep and staying asleep.